Hey everybody, I am in what I believe to be Venetia, Oklahoma. I think this cable is probably going to be where I end up doing Kitsch Caboose. I'm tired. It's hot, but at least it's not as hot as it was in Texas. I found the world's dumbest toll road. They don't do toll by plate nor credit card, which was kind of surreal. That's my TED Talk for the day. I'm looking for this antique mall, but I don't seem to, maybe that's it? Well, duh, here it is. Let's go in. Well, I already know I'm obsessed with that mannequin. Everything about it is perfection. Check this place out. Doesn't really look like my style, but still. Oh my gosh, psych. Look at that coin purse. That's at 16, the tartan plaid one. That's fabulous. And that mother pin, the souvenir one. That's so cute. Oh wow. We're gonna have fun here. Look at the little squirt. Okay, but also kind of bizarre. I'm pretty sure I'm the only person in here. I don't even see anyone working. Very weird. That's a fun graphic. I think I like it over there. All right, I am gonna go in order. I love this belt. I was looking for a belt at the beginning of my trip and I bought 2 already, but this might have to be number 3. That is wild, 15 bucks too. I take it back when I said this place wasn't my style. Look at this red necklace. That's so fun with the rhinestone beads. It is kind of strange that I seem to be literally the only person in here. Look at this bottle, that's neat. All the little tins, oh my gosh. Those looks a little pricey. Not that there's anyone to help me with keys anyway. Super weird having the whole place to myself. All right, well, definitely a little bit of a weird situation here for me, but at least I see signs of life now. It's really pretty stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the deer jar. $27.50. Whoa, this place is awesome in the displays. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do after this. Wow, love the Santa seals. Santa pajama bag. This is a cool one. Big tomato vibes. Apples, I guess, not tomatoes. This is fun. I love the display in here. Interesting. Look at all the little plastics. Wait, how much is the fish? Hard plastic bird, $2.50, $7.95. All right, so maybe I will ask the nice lady if I can get in here. Oh my gosh, Santa, the duck. Oh, these are so fun. Happy corn, 26. Oh my gosh, look at the lucite corn, $5.95. Is it broken? I don't understand. It doesn't look broken. I'll take that. All right, now on to Christmas, it looks like. Look at the troll stocking. That's fun. Honeycomb. Ooh, oh my gosh. As is. Oh, my hero, so cute. Christ Christmas pigs. 20 bucks. I love that tin. The Santa game, that's fun. And then the little elf, 19 bucks. That's a little less than what I would get for it after feast. Oh my gosh, stop it right now. I love this box so much. Definitely can't spring 40 bucks on it, but that's cute. Lots of random mixed matched little Santa squeaks. That's at 14. That's about what I get for those 2. Interesting stuff here. I'm really into the themes. So I guess this is like the cowboy booth. So cool. The Western booth, I should say. What is this thing? That's awesome. Is this a little box? Yeah. That's so cute. And the little wallets. I love these. $7.99. Look at the cow one. These are vintage. They're made in Hong Kong or Japan. I can't remember. Davy Crockett. The vintage cowboy wallet is pretty fun. $8. That's pretty reasonable. I'm not crazy about the color. I don't know if I'm being too picky though. This looks like it might be a fish booth. And I'm going straight for this fish planter. $30. It's actually better than I expected. All the little tins. I'm not so much into a lot of the food tins. I'm into the makeup tins. I think those are so fabulous. They usually have such great graphics, although I love that little ice cream box. What are these mugs? $20 each. Ooh, these are really pretty. $22.50. Those don't sell that well for me, honestly. I pick them up from time to time if the price is right, but they're usually kind of right around retail. So this is the white booth. I like these figural vases. Well, I guess they're not figural, but you know what I mean. They got shape to them. Is this glass? Yeah, it is. Way more into the teeny tinies. Hairpins. Interesting stuff in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move this stuff around and check that out. Clown booth and gold. Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. What is Mr. Delish popcorn box? Oh, that is too cute. I might have to pick that up on principle. Let's see what else. What is this weird Christ stuff they have down here? $64.50 for that cat. Look at that cat. Oh my gosh. So Psycho ceramics are really, really expensive here. I'm seeing like tags that say $179 or something, which is impressive because a lot of the times when I see them in PA, people don't know what they are. Yeah, that Christ cat is really hard to leave in there. Look at this. I'm skipping about because I went to sneak peek at something. Oh my gosh. Walmart? How cool. All right, I'm gonna come back for that. I want to finish. I like to go in order. I hate going astray, although I do see some really amazing stuff in this case. Oh, yes, this is what I'm talking about. The little vanity booth. Okay, first of all, this wall pocket. No, it's a statue. $42.50. It's a head vase. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. It is a wall pocket. A little cat perfume holder. See, this is the kind of thing I'm into right now. That's at $12 though. Wait, this is super rare. Dang, $32. Lady Sunbeam. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at this. Little lady, her very own toiletries. That is so cute. Unfortunately, it's $25. Dang, that one hurts too. And the music box. Cute stuff. Love the little ring. Oh my gosh, stop. That's so cute. How much? $60. Good grief. What's happening here with the telephone? Wait. What? Made in Brazil. Telephone ashtray. It's modern. It's still cool though. The Valentine's Day box, $39. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, honestly. Look at this case. I love those earrings. Not seeing anything that's standing out to me that's not already at retail. And this is the case I was trying to take a sneak peek in. It's that little enamel matchbox with the flower on it. That's really cool. A yellow booth. Really pretty coin dot and pottery. All right, we finally are gonna go back to this. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at this switch plate cover. Fabulous. Wait, what was this? This is Avon. Not that there's anything wrong with Avon. I'm taking it back. I've seen some really cool Avon stuff recently. Daisy vase? No, it's not daisies. Wow, that's cool. Enamel over copper. Although I'm still kind of hung up on this. The problem with it is it's this starburst pattern usually sells pretty well, but I just think it's got a little too much paint loss. Whoa, look at this situation happening. Oh my gosh. I'm not much of a American Greetings person. They usually don't sell for me, but that one's so cute. What else is in here? I have to see what this is. Oh gosh, that's cute. Oh, it's got a hat. I thought it was a ponytail. Sorry, not for 13, 14 bucks or whatever. Oh my gosh, the little Red Riding Hood plate's so cute.